Una kitang napansin sa suggested friend ko sa Facebook. At alam kong batchmate kita. Noong high school, inad kita agad sa Facebook at happy ako at inaccept mo kagad. Lagi tayong nagchat-chat, video call, at tawanan everyday sa loob ng 4 na buwan. Hanggang sa may sinabi ka sa akin na parang gusto mo na ako at na-inlove ka na sa akin.
I could list off a million ways, but you just
Now, at this very moment of your life, I just want you to remember marriage is love, marriage is trust, marriage is respect, that marriage is partnership, and of course, marriage is relationship.
I guess I'll say I love you for worse or for better, whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I knew inside your heart fit in and
Nasa Canada ka that time kung saan nagsimula ang lahat. Nag-friend request ka sa Facebook last year at sa loob ng 4 months, consistent ka araw-araw na tumawag at chat. At sa loob ng 4 months na yun, unti-unti na akong nagkakagusto sa'yo. At sinabi mo pa, bakit kasi hindi kita nakilala lang mas maaga.
nights we turn out the lights and dance around the kids.
And I feel parang tumayo ako sa pagkadapa at nang nandyan ka para tumulong. Ang gaan ng pakiramdam ko.
Didn't know that I had a hole in my heart. You were the piece I was missing.
Love one another. Mahalin niyo lang daw ang bawat isa. As I have loved you, kung paano niya tayo lahat minamahal. Of course, there's no more greater love than this.
For worse or for better, whenever, wherever, for now and forever. The moment I met you, I knew inside your heart fit in and mine. I'll love you in capital letters, whatever the weather.
Dumating ka sa buhay ko exactly on time and you're not late. Dumating ka kung kailan pinakakailangan kita. At para sa akin, yun yung pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko.
You look like the rest of my life. I knew
Daryl,
from the
ay,
start your
ang
heart
pagpapakasal ay
fit
permanente
into
yun. Lifetime.
mine.
Well, ito'y
You
panghabang
look like the rest of
Nawala
my
sa isip ko ang
life.
lungkot at ang pagkabigo. Salamat at dumating ka sa buhay ko, love. Ngayong dumating ka na sa buhay ko, pinapangako ko na kakayanin natin ang mga pagsubok.
Kahit LDR man tayo, hindi yun hadlang dahil araw-araw mo pa rin pinaparandam at pinapakita kung gaano mo ako kamahal.
Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever and ever and always.
It's not really about the destination. Hindi na importante kung ano ba talaga ang nag-aantay sa dulo ng pupuntahan ninyo. Kung totoo bang may forever wala sa dulo nito. Dahil ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, yung magkasama ninyong nilakbay, yung daan ninyong dalawa, bumagal man o bumilis man ang takbo nito. Basta sabay lang kayo papunta sa inyong magpakailanman.
Just one look into your eyes and
I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life making you happy forever and ever and always.
I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Daryl J. Esteba, I choose you today and every day for the rest of my life. In you, I found my greatest adventure, my safest place, my best friend. I love you more than word can express.
forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.